Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, I am Mr. Sanaullah, lecturer in Computer Science, Institute of Computing, Cohort, University of Science and Technology, Cohort. I am the course instructor, Computer Graphics, CS443. Today I want to deliver lecture number 11. The topic is OpenGl primitives in computer graphics. So this is the outline of this course. Objectives, OpenGl initialization functions, OpenGl primitives, drawing line in 3Ds, GL line strip and GL line loop, drawing triangle in 3D, GL triangle strip, GL triangle fan, drawing rectangle in square, GL quad strip, GL polygon rendering options. So objective of the today topic is to provide basic concept 3D geometric object like lines, polygon, triangle, mesh and so on. To understand the concept of 3D modeling, transformation and viewing function to create view 3D scene using the idea of virtual camera. To support the manipulation of images like in the form of pixel, enabling frame buffer effects such as anti-aliasing, motion blur, depth of field and soft shadows. So OpenGl initialization, which I have already discussed in the previous lecture, that how the OpenGl initialization function work. It is optional function. If you does not want to use this function, then all the statement or function written inside this function will be written in the main functions. First of all, GL clear color, which show the color of the displaying windows. Here set color from these points. This is called, there are totally 4 parameters. First one is called is red, second green, blue and third one is alpha. So GL clear colors where the parameter are used. The 4 parameter is called is alpha value. Only use alpha value is blending parameters. So when we activate the OpenGl blending operation, alpha value can be used to determine the resulting color for the 2 overlapping objects. Means if it is 0, means the 2 overlapping object color are transparent. If it is 1, then it's indicate the okay objects, mean one object overlay the second objects. The second GL clear buffer bed depth buffer beds is we know that GL clear can assign a color to display window, but it does not put the display window on screen. It not appear on the screen before. If we want to appear these colors or this display on the screen, it is necessary to invoke the GL color buffer bed function or to indicate the buffer currently enabled for color writings. So ortho 2D which show define a 2D orthographics projection matrix, means the viewing video where x minimum, y maximum show that not below the x minimum, not above the y maximum, in the range of y minimum and y maximum. So after that we are use some preemptives in OpenGl, which is the original topics of this lecture. Preemptive mean points, line, triangle, squares, polygon. How to display these in OpenGl programming? So first of all, preemptives is GL points, GL lines and some sub points, strip and loop, GL triangle and then strip and fan, GL quad and then strip and at the end GL polygon. So preemptive, first each and every preemptive of the OpenGl must be start with GL begin and must be end with the GL end. So to construction GL begin mode, GL end is used to display group of preemptive objects. The value of mode determine the kind of object, means if it is a points, then it show the points. If it is a line, then it show the line. So GL points, GL line, GL triangle, GL quad, polygon, etc. It's all the modes of the GL begin. GL points mode show the point will be displayed. GL line mode show that line will be displayed. So GL begin and line surround command that specify vertices and vertex data. So GL points must be start with GL begin with end with GL end. It is the mode GL points. So GL vertex 3F. 3Fs means 3 dimensional. float values 0.0 x, y and z. So GL begin GL points 3f. If this is the values 1 means show the color and directional, and this is show the last color, meaning red, green and blue. So to change the point size we use GL point size, GL float size. We will change the values of the point. This is the results. So GL matrix load identity, it is the x minimum, x maximum, y minimum, y maximum. Clear color is Windows color white, because each parameter is combined red, green and blue are 0, and it is transparent also. So the result in background color must be white. So GL clear color buffer. So after that this is the GL3F 1.0 means red color, green and blue are 0. Point size is 5.0. So GL points started from 2i means x and y coordinates, started from x 100 and y 100, started from x 200 and y 200, started from x 300 and y 100. After the GL and GL flash means to display flash this result on the screen. This is the another program where x minimum and y maximum and minimum colors are also background white. So GL color, the first one is this one point is a red, and this is the signs. If you want to again check the points color as well, GL points 3f. This is the red color points, and this is the size of this. This is the green color points, and this is the size location of the on the graph. This is the blue, and this is the size location on the graph. So line primitives will be started from GL line. GL begin GL lines and will be in with GL in. So GL vertex 3f, this is the location started from -2.0 to -1.0. This is again the vertex of second line. This is the example. So this is again through Ardo. This is the background color. So color of the line must be red. So this is the started value 100, 200, 400, 400, 152. Means this is the x started from this x coordinates, and this is the y, x and y points, up to this is the 100 and this is the 400, up to 400x and 400y. This is started from this is 100 and this is the 150 to 400 as well. So after that, the second code, again the color is 1.0 means red. This is the width. Staple means dotted lines. So again this is the location x and y, in location points x and y. This is the start, and this is again the end. GL strap and GL line loop. GL lines, this is sample. GL strap started from 1 point and come to the GL loop. It's from initial to again come to the initial. Means vertex 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and again loops terminate up to means closed lines objects. Use the primitive to draw a sequence of connected line segments. OpenGL render a line segment between the first and second vertex, between the second and third, between the third and fourth, and so on. This first, second, third, fourth, and so on. If the application specify an vertex, OpenGL render n-1 line segment. So line loop use the primitive to close align straps. OpenGL render this primitive like a GL line strap with the addition of closing line segment between final and first vertex. Triangles must be start GL begin and must be in GL end. It is the triangle mode. This is the x and y locations. So triangle are the preferred polygon form because its vertices are always coplanar. It can never be concave, cannot cross over itself. So this is the results. Color, first point, second point, third points, and this will be white. Color of the line objects will be 1.0, means red. This is the first vertex, 100 and 100, means this one 100 x and 100 y. Again, second point is 200 x and 200, like this. First, second, 200 and 200. Third is 300 and again 100. Same, fourth one 100, because each point's line come back to creates a triangle. Step, use the parameter to draw a sequence of triangle that share edges. OpenGL render a triangle using the first, second, and third vertex, and then another using second, third, and fourth vertex, and so on, like this. Preemptive reduce redundancy by sharing vertex. This is the example. 3f vertex 0, okay, vertex 1, vertex 2, vertex 3, 4, and 5. Here you can see triangle 0 is a vertex 0 is this is the triangle 0, means vertex 0, 1 and 2, 0, 1 and 2. The triangle 1 is vertex 2, vertex 1, vertex 3. We are not vertex 1, vertex 2, vertex 3. Then started from here, vertex 2, 1, and vertex 3. So vertex 1 is share among these two triangles. Triangle 2 is vertex 2, vertex 3, and 4. Same as the case again, not vertex 3, 4, and 5, because we use this is that vertex 2, 2, 3, and 4. So vertex 3 is also shared. Use the parameter to draw a fan of triangles that share edges and also share a vertex as well. So each triangle share the first vertex specified. If the application specified sequence of vertex V, OpenGL render a triangle using vertex 0, 1, and 2. So another triangle using vertex 0, 2, and 3. Another triangle using vertex 0, 3, and 4, and so on. So this is a triangle, sample triangle, strap triangle, and this is the fan triangle. So vertex 0 are share with this triangle, this one, and this one. Drawing rectangle and square in OpenGL. So started, GL began, and the mode is GL quads. This is the vertex, vertex 1, 2, 3, and 4, because square use 4 vertices. So quads, GL vertex 3, vertex 0, front face vertex 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the front face, vertex 0, 0, 1, and this is the 2, and this is the 3. Left face vertex 0, 2, 6, and 4, 0, 2, 6, and 4. This is the left, and this is the right face. Up face, this is the up face, and it means starting from vertex 0, 4, 5, and 0, 4, 5, and 1. And the left face is vertex 1, 5, 7, and 3, and so on, all other faces. So this is the results. Same, this is the x maximum, y maximum, this is the white color, and this is the red color line. So this is the front and back GL line. So 100 x y, yeah, this is the vertex 1, this is the vertex 1, and this is again the vertex 2. X is again 100, same 100, while the y become 200. Same, x become 200, while the y also become 200, and then x become 200, and the y become 100. So this is again quad sample, straps, and the polygon. So use this method to draw a sequence of quadrilaterals that share edges. F, the application specifies a sequence of vertex V. OpenGL render a quadrilateral using V0, 1, 2, 3, and V2. Another quadrilateral using V2, 3, 5, and V4, and so on. This one is a quadrilateral V1, V0, 1, 2, and 3. Again, Another is V2, V2, V3, V5 and V4. Same, this is another quadrilateral. While in polygon, all these are shares. This is polygon, convex and non-convex. Draw single failed convex n gone primitives, OpenGL render in inside polygon, where n is the number of vertices specified by the application. This is the vertices. So list of vertices defined polygon edges, and polygon must be convex. This is the code. Again, the ground white, line color must be red, and then this is the x and y coordinates for first points, second point x and y, and third point x and y. If you want to use different colors, so we will be use this is red color for the first point x and y, so 100 and 100 this point, which color will be red, and for the second color we change green. X point is 200, this is the x's 200, and y also 200, become 100 and 200, and this we use the blue color. X point is 300, this is the 100, this is the 200, and this is the 300, and y also 100, because this is the 100 and this is a 200, so again, yeah, this is y is also 100. So different colors combination will be shown on this polygon. So render is a point lines are fields. Front and back faces can be rendered separately using GL polygon mode. Then polygon staple overlay on the polygon. Edge flag specify polygon edges that can drawn in line mode. Normal vector normalize is better, but GL enable GL normalize will guarantee that. Thank you.